Presenting the Waldent Head Mountain Double Light Magnifying Surgical Loupes, designed to elevate precision, visibility, and ergonomics in every clinical procedure. Unboxing. This premium kit includes everything required for professional use. The system comes with a detailed user manual for quick reference and safe operation. 2 high-performance lithium polymer batteries are provided, ensuring more than 5 hours of uninterrupted illumination. A 5-watt, 1-ampere adapter-type charger is included for efficient control charging. These surgical loupes are available in 2 variants, 2.5X and 3.5X Magnification, ideal for restoration, endodontic, and surgical applications. The kit also includes a Presbyopic magnification glass to support users who require additional near-vision assistance. A dual-spot 5-watt LED headlight provides bright, shadow-free, concentrated illumination for enhanced clarity in deep operative fields. Features: the crystal-clear coated lenses offer distortion-free visualization with a wide 120mm field of view and a working distance between 280 to 380 millimeters, supporting ergonomic posture. The adjustable headband features multiple locking points, enabling a secure and comfortable fit for all head sizes, ideal for long clinical sessions. High-definition 3.5x magnifications support fine detail work, while the flip-up feature allows effortless switching between magnifying and direct vision. Powered 2,500 mAh lithium battery, the unit delivers long, consistent brightness without overheating. The LED headlight is fully angle adjustable, allowing control focus exactly where needed. The dual light system performs exceptionally even in low light conditions. The white LED provides high contrast illumination. We use yellow light filter to protect composite restorations from premature curing and to improve visual comfort. How to assemble. The assembly is simple and stable. The magnifying lens is seamlessly attached to the dual-spot headlight frame. Once secured, the optics can be fine-tuned to achieve the ideal walking angle and interpupillary adjustment. The presbyopic lens attaches in front of the loupe frame when additional clarity is required. How to use. For optimal use, place the headband comfortably, adjust the magnification angle, and tighten the rear adjustment knob for stability. Activate the LED light from the rear switch and maintain an upright posture. The intensity of light can be adjusted to your ease. The loupes are designed to eliminate unnecessary neck flexion and support ergonomic working positions. These head-mounted surgical loupes combine clarity, comfort, and illumination to enhance precision across all dental procedures. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.